Hi, I'm Brittany and I own Wrap Me Tender here in Butler, New Jersey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a May-tie or May-dye style carrier. There's many different brands available, but the basic concept is a one body panel with 4 straps, 2 long shoulder straps and 2 shorter waist straps. What I really love about a May-tie or May-dye is that it doesn't need any infant insert, and all I need to do is roll the body panel, the waist, to accommodate the size of my baby. So I'm going to be using this with a newborn today. So I'm going to bring it high up onto my waist, giving it a good roll, and I'm going to tie a double knot behind me. And now I would be ready for baby, but if I was to get in the car or to be walking through the house to get her first, I could grab these straps about halfway through and then just tuck them up into my waistband so they're not dragging on the floor. So I'm going to pick up my baby now. She is 4 weeks old. This is my daughter Juniper, and she is right on the cusp of sometimes wanting to be legs in and sometimes wanting to be legs out. So right now I'll just show you what legs in would look like. I'm going to place her on my body where I want her, and I'm going to bring this body panel, working all the slack out, up her back. Bringing the shoulder strap over each shoulder. And then I'm going to turn around so you can see I'm going to go under this first strap and grab the second. And I'm pulling towards the floor to work at that slack out, coming around my body. Same thing over here. Pulling towards the floor, working any of that slack out. And I want to make them symmetrical, so I want to make sure I'm pulling the same amount of slack out on both sides. And a good way to check when this is new to you is in a mirror to work out that slack. Now, if I was needing to be done, I could just tie a knot right here, or I can do an X, crisscross, or I can do a twist, which I like that because that really stays in place. And then I'm going to tie a knot in the back. And you can see this can fold down. She's a little bit tall right now and kind of standing on her feet because she's not really wanting to be legs in anymore, but I wanted to show you what that would look like. So I'm going to actually go backwards a few steps now, coming out of it, bringing her back down. And this is what we would do if she wanted to be legs out. We'll get rid of those socks because those will fall. What I'm going to do is scrunch up this body panel so that it is narrower so I can get 1 foot on either side of it. Okay, see, that's better. I'm going to bring it up her back, working all that slack out. I'm going to bring her a little higher onto my body. And now making sure everything's scrunched so it's just spreading from knee to knee. So I'm not spreading her legs any further than she would naturally spread them. Again, I'm going to go under the first, pulling around, down, down, and then around. I want to really feel these shoulder straps move. If I'm not, then they're just getting caught on the fabric. And then I'm going to go under her legs on the way around. So I can fold this if she's not needing quite as much head support. And that looks really good. I'm checking to make sure her knees are above her butt. I'm not overspreading her because I've scrunched that body panel to the appropriate size. And I have an X across my back. And I just want to make sure her chin's not on her chest, which it's not, but if she was scrunched forward, all I would do is do a lean forward with gravity to help then turn her head to the side. And that is a May-tie. There's lots of different brands. This is a catbird baby. I also carry the Babylonia BB ties. Those have a few more bells and whistles. They have a hood I really love, but they all work very similarly in concept with the body panel with 4 straps. Thank you so much.